My name is Ashley McGlone, host of the Tanium Tech Talks, and this year I'm here at Converge 2023 to revisit the CTF experience. Hopefully you've had a chance to watch the video from last year where we went to the full depth and breadth of the CTF program. This year we're just recording a brief update so you can understand what are the new challenges this year, the scenarios. Watch to the end because we're going to give you a special opportunity to participate remotely, virtually, if you were unable to participate here at Converge in 2023. So with me again is the mastermind of the CTF. So could you tell us this year, what is the scenario that you've crafted?
This year, I developed an insider threat corporate espionage scenario in which a junior employee of a satellite communications company attends an engineering conference and meets an interesting person who turns out to be an adversary during the keynote speech. They converse further over breaks and lunch, and then the adversary uses social engineering strategies to spark the employee's curiosity in how to earn thousands of dollars outside of work by providing information about a corporation. The adversary was interested in the satellite communication company's sales deals, but the employee was still unsure. So the adversary persuaded him and provided him with instructions on paper about what to do when he goes to work, along with a USB device. The individual arrives at work and follows the instructions given to him by the adversary at the engineering conference by installing a messaging solution to communicate with the adversary and initiates communication with the adversary, who provides specific instructions in terms of what to do and what to access. But the junior employee is unaware that all his activity is being recorded because Tanium and Tanium Threat Response is running on his laptop. The adversary gains access to the satellite communication company's enterprise and betrays the employee by not transferring the agreed Bitcoin amount. The employee is rather stressed and worried if he'll lose his job and his manager will find out. The remit of the participants is to figure out the full scope of the intrusion and the tools, techniques, and procedures used by the adversary to aid the CERT team.
This scenario just sounds like a blockbuster novel. I think you have another career when you're done here. That's an amazing story. And the scary thing is a lot of this is based in reality. So that's the story this year for the CTF. What are the actual challenges in the CTF portion? Then we'll address escape room after that.
So some examples of challenges the participants had to solve was to identify what messaging solution did the insider threat install on his laptop and extract the log files to determine what they were talking to the adversary about. Another one was to identify persistence the adversary created on the domain controller that has the Windows subsystem for Linux running. Another one was to identify the report identifier for Windows error reporting that the adversary accidentally created. And then finally, the participants had to create a Tanium sensor to determine the Active Directory properties for the compromised user account on the domain controller.
So each year now, we've done an escape room challenge for the top 5 finalists. So those challenges are even next level past these. So we are actually recording this right before the escape room starts for those finalists. So I'm interested to hear what have you additionally crafted for the escape room?
The escape room challenges was a continuation of the insider threat and corporate espionage scenario. The participants have to escape 2 rooms and 1 hallway to win. So some of the examples of challenges the participants had to solve was to extract a password from the user's browser session on the compromised Linux server so that can be shared with the Linux system administrators, which due to high attrition in staff, the handover of this server did not take place. Therefore, they need the password for this user that is used to manage their enterprise server environment. Another one is to analyze a PCAP file to determine the distributed component object model so decom objects, so they can identify what date and time the adversary laterally moved to a specific system. And then finally, they have to play tic-tac-toe against a computer, and when they win, to provide the message received.
I appreciate the humor and balance of these challenges, even playing tic-tac-toe with the computer. There's always an interesting twist to these. There's a little bit of an entertainment value and a whole lot of technology here. This is your opportunity each year, whether you're a beginner or an expert at Tanium or cybersecurity in the industry, incident response. This is your opportunity to both learn and test those skills against others. So each year here at Converge, this is conducted technically it's virtual. People are on site, but many of the teams are participating remotely. So I say that because you have an opportunity coming up, and I want to ask, when is the virtual edition of this coming later next year?
It will be on the 24th of July, 2024.
24th of July, 2024. So watch the Tanium website, talk to your account team. If you would like to participate in this CTF, many people don't set out to win, they just set out to explore the challenges and to see the boundaries of their skills, what they need to learn next. And it's a team sport, so you have somebody maybe on your team that's really good at PCAP analysis, another person that's good at Linux forensics, right, and so forth. So you want to begin now to recruit team members within your company, other friends that you know in the local security community where you live, and look for this opportunity coming soon to participate in the 2024 Tanium Virtual CTF.
Can I do a laugh? So then... Cut.